Hi. I just wanted to...
Playing with the basketball.
Oh, cool.
It's fun.
I saw you with the bubbles, too.
Yes, we were having fun with the bubbles.
Can I, Mommy?
Yeah.
Can you look at the bubbles? I want the bubbles.
You want to do bubbles?
Can you do bubbles?
Yes, we can do bubbles.
Are you having fun with Mima? Uh-huh.
We have bubble bridges on his pants.
That's okay.
Full of bubbles.
They're not his fancy pants, though.
Can you put those in down? Mama?
Yes, yes, I can.
Uh-oh,
would
I
be
hear a
happy
buddy.
to. What?
So I think I hear an Isaiah.
I can try anyway, Drew. I seem to be having some difficulty. There we go. You get that. Try the other end.
Mama,
Can you turn around and show me?
okay, Mama.
Here, we'll put it down here.
Can you turn around and show Mommy?
Woo! Remember to blow gentle.
Let's see.
Hey, Mommy, look at this.
Okay. Wow! Wow, did Mima...
That's a big one. Okay, show her how you make the little ones when you wave your arm.
Cool!
Lots of them.
Nice!
Oh,
Mima, thanks for showing him that.
stop, stop.
All right, can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.